There he goes. He's showing me his butt. I want to see your butt. Well, you think you're a squirrel, huh? Oh, the storm is over. Yes, we're going to go back up and eat. We caught that. We got lucky with that, huh? Yes. Where'd he go? There he is. Silly bookies. What do you think, silly bookies? These are my silly bookies. Where's my silly bookies? Where are you? There they are. Aren't you glad you're not out there, huh? Aren't you glad you're not out there? Yes. There's my bookies. My bookies. There. Oh. They were hiding. They were hiding.
Oh my love, you're so good, treating me so cruel. There you go.
Come on, show me your face and I'll try to back off again.
Leaving me looking like a dog.
See, now I'm going to want to load this onto Facebook.